สวัสดีทุกคนผู้เด็กประเทศไทยจากถิ่น有零懂了ไหม ซิปเปาฟันเนี่ยซิปเปาฟัน嘛กินข้าวยัง好啦，如果今日你哋睇到咧呢個劇，就知道我會同大家講啲咩就係 Uno game 啦。OK， 都算係同大家有一個共鳴咁啦，我覺得係一個好事嚟嘅。咁我都唔使執，我都唔會執書，我梗係要執書㗎啦。我呢度都有幾個版嘅。都同大家咧有咗呢個 sample 咧，咁就會好容易同大家講㗎咯喎。其實有冇諗過咧開粒同大家玩 Uno 咧？其實我唔知咧。Is it really going to work on this way? But no, because you guys have different pairs of cards, so it's kind of hard. Maybe just kind of hard to. Maybe we can show. Maybe we can do some demo on it. Okay? So 如果你哋咧想問關於今日嘅主題想問嘅問題咧，你哋可以留低呢個口信話俾我聽，或者係你哋可以講啲古仔俾我聽關於呢個 Uno。我覺得大家一定會有一個共同嘅有一個共鳴嘅，因為大家都細個都一定有玩過嘅。OK， 所以我俾大家1分鐘嘅時間，6點之後錄翻我哋開始㗎啦喂。係覺得近排嘅天氣啊，我覺得吉隆坡會有狂風暴雨多啲。雖然係話有呢個monsoon season 啦，所以通常喺吉隆坡或者因為上個禮拜我去咗馬六甲，所以我就覺得吉隆坡或者馬六甲咧都係因為係應該係有受到呢個 monsoon season 嘅影響，所以就會落大水啦。咁呢度係爭啲嘞，係肯定好刺激。好啦，咁首先咧，其實我仲記得咧嗰時候應該係中學嘅時候啦，同朋友仔一齊玩。除咗我記得嗰時候係要近放假嘅時候咧，咁嗰時候咧個老師就唔係幾話理我哋好多嘅，咁我哋就可以攞我哋啲啤牌啊，或者係我哋啲 Uno game 嚟玩嘅。咁咧，其實我哋都要好小心，因為其實咧有時嗰啲嗰個guru discipline 啊，或者係嗰啲pengawas啊、選查員啊，其實都係會嚟裝我哋嘅，所以我哋就要非常之小心啦。所以我仲記得咧嗰時候我覺得喺邊度玩唔係重點。其實如果可以攞 Uno game 到去邊度玩呢，係一種樂趣嚟嘅，係真嘅，呢個就係真嘅。無論係過年又好，或者學校假期又好，我覺得幾時玩都係 OK 嘅。最緊要係你可以湊夠幾個人呢，其實你玩就好 OK 㗎啦。咁我覺得呢，其實我覺得玩下呢，如果係你手頭上就好似我嗰幅相 show 俾大家呢，如果你玩下呢，你就收到好多副牌，其實我覺得啦。我覺得你一定會有一個共鳴，就係話我好壓力啊！幾時我可以掉晒啲卡，我可以贏呢會係啦，所以嗰時候你就會希望可以盡量甩晒嗰啲牌啦，咁你就可以盡快可以贏啦，係咪先？所以係咪好搞笑嘅？所以我覺得咧最搞笑咧就係如果你抽你嘅即係講，如果你嘅朋友抽到 draw two 啦，無論咩顏色都好啦 ，draw two，OK， 之後你就可以同你嘅點樣講？你嘅亦都唔算係 partner 啦，呢個係你嘅玩家，你嘅 player，OK， 你哋就可以加注落去，即係講，如果係話你譬如講你嘅朋友放draw two 青色，你有紅色你就加，如果你有黃色你就加，你有藍色就加。所以咧咁，我覺得最唔公平咧就係、如果如果對方係冇 draw two， 咁就對於佢嚟講就好唔公平，因為佢要立晒我哋俾佢嗰啲卡啦，所以係最搞笑嘅。OK， 最壓力就係呢度啦，即係除咗 draw two 之餘咧，就係、呢個draw four 嘅，呢個係至慘嘅，即係講 我覺得draw 4其實唔係好大問題。之後咧，如果你要揀顏色嘅話咧，如果你手頭上冇個顏色，你又要抽牌啦，所以嗰時咧就真係好頭痛啦。OK， 所以我其實咧有時都好憎呢一張牌，因為有時對方講到嗰個顏色我冇咧，我就要抽牌啦。OK， 呢個最咩㗎啦。然之後咧，我覺得其他嗰啲號碼嗰啲顏色嘅牌咧，其實都冇咩大問題嘅，出咗其實都冇咩大問題，其實 OK 嘅。咁我覺得我頭先我有講到咧，除咗呢個 draw 4嘅呢個 wow 之前你 draw 4咗之後，你又要揀顏色咧。我覺得另外一張卡我亦係唔中意就係呢個 wow 卡，因為又係要揀顏色嘅。你知好乞人憎㗎，你知我如果譬如講我手頭上有青色有黃色，但係佢講到紅色嘅話死啦，我又要抽牌啦，好咩嘅喎？咁咧 OK。仲剩翻呢兩張牌啦，所以咧好似 for example 啦嚇，如果我嘅底牌係一個號碼嘅牌 ，OK， 我唔可以俾人哋知道，所以我就要講 Uno 先 ，OK， 所以我就要咁對方其實我唔可以俾對方知道我仲有張牌係啲咩顏色或者啲咩卡，除非你係power級咁你就要抽牌 ，OK， 所以如果你係顏色嘅牌，你就要等到對方即係可以俾出嘅顏色係你手頭上所擁有嘅，咁你先至可以掟出去，咁你先去 Uno game 嘅 ，OK 係咁樣啦。所以講到呢個咧，我哋就講下其他嘅炮卡先啦。咁其實咧呢兩張炮卡其實我都唔係話好憎嘅，因為我覺得可以 skip 就 skip 咯，好似呢張 skip 嘅卡同埋呢張 reverse 嘅卡。所以其實呢兩張卡我又唔係好憎佢哋，因為我覺得有時如果可以避得就避，如果咁啱嗰張牌我冇嗰個顏色又咁啱，我淨係有呢一張炮卡嘅顏色嘅話，我就掟出去，我就可以避得就避啦嚇。所以我就覺得呢兩張牌我就唔係話好乞人憎，我最乞人憎係 draw 4唔係 wild card OK 所以我至憎嗰個。所以我覺得咧呢個 Uno game 咧係無論你喺邊一個日子都好，你可以儲夠一堆朋友一齊嚟玩咧，咁就嘅氣氛其實我覺得無論係時間、人物、地點，其實都唔重要嘅。最緊要係你抽到抽到一堆朋友嚟一齊同你玩 Uno game， 咁就係天下無敵。唔好話天下無敵啦，咁就只係講最好不過嘅一件事咧，因為大家可以儲埋一堆朋友一齊玩呢個 Uno game， 係真係一件好好嘅一件事。譬如講學校假期啊、過年啊，或者係你咁啱你同你嘅朋友聚會啊，其實幾時都可以攞出嚟拎嚟玩。So Uno 喺每一個 occasion 都係 OK 嘅。OK， 講完㗎啦喎，所以我哋講英文㗎啦，我轉合啦。So 希望今日嘅呢個主題唔會講得好耐啦。係啊。Okay, so today I'm going to talk about Uno game. Okay, so if you saw my posting a few days ago, so I'm going to share my memory and my unforgettable moment when I was playing Uno game with my friends. Okay. I can say that Uno game is actually fits on all occasions. For example, Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, gathering, or maybe school holiday, or way before school holiday, right? Actually, a lot of teachers they don't really bother you at all. So we can be able to bring your own poker cards, your Uno game, so that we can be able to play while the teachers are not around. So it was great. But you have to be really careful because some of the prefect will be going around because they would like to see whether you guys are going to do anything bad, so that they would do something they need to do. Okay, so I can say that playing Uno games is really a unforgettable memory because you can play on all occasions. Okay, so let me break out the Uno game that we play. Okay, so I really love numbers one. Okay, because the number card is actually according to the number and also according to color. But if you have a bad luck, definitely you are going to you need to draw a lot of cards in order for you to get the number and also the color that you desire. So it's I would say that it would I really have a bad feeling when the luck is not on me and then I have to draw a lot of cards on my hand, around 20 to 30 cards. Okay, that will be really not say disappointing, but I feel a little bit upset and angry because I have to draw a lot of cards in order to, in order to win that I have to clear off all the cards in my hand. So that's the thing. Okay, so the number card is fine, but if you are having a bad luck, that would be really bad. Okay, so the number card is done. Okay, let's talk about the interesting part, which is the power card, which is draw 4 and draw 2. Okay, I really hate draw 2 and draw 4 because draw 2 is like when your friends are having those cards with different kind of color, and then you have to add on it until your friend, they don't have one, they have to clear off everything. So that that will be a nightmare for all of us. Okay, so draw cards is really a nightmare for us. Okay, because definitely not talking about draw 2 but also draw 4, because after maybe your friend have already draw the thing, and then you have to choose a color for your friends, and if your friend doesn't have the color, then that will be their bad luck. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, and also other power cards that I would like to say about, which is this power card, 3 power card, which is skip card, reverse card, and also wild card. Among all these cards, right, I really hate this one, because if you don't have one of the color that your friend mentioned, that would definitely your bad luck, because you have to draw until you get that color or that number, then you can only be able to draw your card. I hate this card a lot. And this one as well, because actually I don't really hate this card, because if somehow come to the point where I don't have any other color, and then somehow my friend draw out a skip card or a reverse card in different kind of color, then if I'm having a good luck, okay, then I can be able to throw out this card, then it will be great. Okay, so if you left only one card in your hand, you must say Uno. Okay, so until your turn, if your card matches the color or the number that your friend draws out, then you can be able to say Uno game. If not, you have to stay until next round. So it will be really fun. I can say that Uno game is really part of our childhood memory. We can play in all occasions. Okay, until now, even though you are kind of like get into adulthood, actually you can play it once in a while. It's fine, because it doesn't mean that you guys it doesn't mean that kids can be able to play on it. Actually, adult can be able to play on it as well. So it doesn't mean that it can be played for all ages. So that's the main good thing of Uno game. Okay, I think that's all I would like to share regarding on Uno game, which is this. Okay, which is to share my memories, unforgettable memories, and my thought regarding on Uno game. Okay, Uno cards. Okay, so if you have any story regarding on it, just let me know. So 今日嘅呢個 live 就係講住咁多先，關於呢個 Uno game 嘅 OK。所以如果下個禮拜有啲咩主題想同大家講嘅，你哋可以留低啲口述話俾我聽，咁我哋就下一個禮拜再見㗎啦噃。ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคู่